Pynbor naga Khlem jong Williamson Hima.
Menteri Rangba ka jela Conrad Sangma habakaran beginong tok kubor halor ka jingple ya ka Captain Williamson Sangma State ulang maka sarkar ka but renti yaki kendon bat jingkot yaki nong yalam niam bakin ya dan bentalang ha ka tegesngi kumajule haba kisdang ya kanu ka program kisdang da ka jingduai bat kamdan kanu ka jingbakla haba de bat kani ka ba ka sarkar ka le Nakaliang Conrad Sangma ulay ito baka sarkar kasdang ya ka Captain Williamson Sangma State University nakabenta ka jingmentoy jong kisamla puli kiba nakapor siya kapor kimat jing naka CUET da ka jingdon ka skolba jong ka jela kisamla puli kimdan kamsyo bantoy ka CUET henday kinlaman betengi ki jing puli jong ki syakman Ulaban rap da ka baong ba ka sarkar kam Pynbor ki Kolej ban Pyniasoh bat ka skolba ka ba ka sarkar kasdang henday ka pha jing tho syaki ban Pynsngau laki kwa ni man Pyniasoh bat ka ni ka skolba bat la da ki kwa ka sarkar ka Kolej ban pediang yaki ula ong ba kam dan ka jing Pynbor ki Kolej henday ka shong haki laki kwa ni man Pyniasoh ni kidang kwa ban dan ka skolba ni hu
He replied also later on to it, so I don't know about what his statement was and what he had said. I am just telling you that this is a pure government program where the Vice Chancellor will be taking over, and this is a program where proper government procedures will be followed. We have invited everybody to come out there in the program, and we've invited all the church leaders, we've invited religious leaders to come in, everybody is invited to come. And only thing we are doing is that when we start the program, like we do in many areas, we just have a prayer. And there is nothing wrong in that. So a prayer will be a thing, but there is no question of a program, a consecration program that is happening. It's a pure government program where everybody is invited, and all people from all religious backgrounds, all society people, organizations, cabinet ministers, officials, everybody is being invited, because this is a very important moment for us. We've realized, apart from the entire issue of CUET, the university is necessary for important aspects of research, important aspects of education, and different departments coming in. So therefore, this is a very important step and a very memorable day for us, and that's why we're giving it the importance. I also want to clarify, because many people have asked me about this, that they have the colleges have received letters from the university asking them they wish to affiliate to this Captain Williamson Sangma State University. I would like to clarify to the colleges and to the citizens at large that colleges have to affiliate to a university. It is their choice if they want to affiliate to NEHU, or they would like to affiliate to USTM, or they would like to affiliate to Captain Williamson Sangma State University. They can affiliate to any university that they wish to, which is of course recognized. And so there is no compulsion for anybody to affiliate to Captain Williamson Sangma State University. We are giving you the option to affiliate to us. What happens when you affiliate to us? The only and the most biggest advantage, of course, is that number one, you'll be working with the state government, and not with the center in terms of the different requirements that are there for affiliation. So you'll be with the state government, and state government, will look at the local conditions and give the affiliation. So it's much easier process, and it's more accessible. Number two, most important, is that the colleges who continue to affiliate to NEHU, they will have to, or the students who are seeking admission to colleges affiliated to NEHU will have to give the CUET exam. So therefore, next year in the academic session, when the admissions take place, if a particular college is still affiliated to NEHU, if the students come and request me to exempt them from CUET, I will not be able to do that anymore, because the pretext for us, our exemption, was that we do not have a state university. We were the only state in the country, I think, where it does not have a state university. And that happened because we had NEHU. We never felt the need, and in the past it was not required. But then when CUET issue came up, we immediately felt the need to have a state university. And that's why we have written letters to the colleges that if they wish to desire to affiliate with us, please affiliate. If you wish to continue with NEHU, please continue. We are not forcing you. It's completely your decision. But as I said, CUET exemption will not be there. Colleges that are affiliated to the state university and students who apply, for example, if there is a Nong Talang College, Nong Talang College, suppose, is affiliated to NEHU today. If they affiliate to State Captain Williamson Sangma University tomorrow, then the students applying to Nong Talang will not have to give CUET exam anymore. It's as simple as that. But as I said, if they still are having doubt and they wish to continue with NEHU, please continue. We are not forcing you. But exemption from CUET in the next academic year will not be there.